Big up to the Japanese, and as usual, enough respect to Bass Odyssey. Now it's time to see what's hot on the party scene. Here's the intense party listing.
All about access granted on Thursday, May 18, over there in Spanish Town, 130 Brunswick Avenue. People, it go loud.
So what is going to make access granted intense?
Access granted is intense because access is granted.
IJA is a 12 to 12 event, and it's part proceeding to the Port Mara Infirmary, and it's gonna be at the shore, Padgy Beach, Port Mara, St. Mary.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a lot of fun. I have like 40 blocks, Crunk, DJ Crunk Timeless, and it's sponsored by Red Stripe.
Okay, cool. So what's the admission like?
Admission is free.
Admission is free, man.
Free?
Free. Stay in Rapid Burst, I got the live in concert. Don't know what them a deal with.
Party hard, but please drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive, and don't drink and ride.